Hey guys, welcome back to the basement. Welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. Today, we are working on the core. We have 3 exercises only 3 sets per exercise. First 2 sets have a set amount of reps we're going to do. The last set has to be to failure. I cannot stress that enough. It has to be to failure if you want to build strength in your core. So let's get started. Like I said, 3 exercises, no clock, just follow along with me, just pretend you're working out with me, basically, that's it. We're gonna start up with hollow body, toe touches, get down on the ground. Lay down, find some room. Let's see if I can find some room. Hollow body, so arms and legs off the ground, all right? And then we're just gonna proceed with toe touches. We're doing for 15 repetitions. I know it might be uneven on the sides, might do 7 on one side and the other side, but that's okay. Hollow body, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, nothing touches the ground. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stay with me. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and down. And let's relax for a few seconds. Let me adjust a little bit because I keep on hitting that kettlebell behind me. But I always say, my workouts are your workouts, so welcome to the basement, welcome to the ab workout, guys. That was 1 set. We have another set, also 15 repetitions. And the third and final set, we're going to go all out. So if you're still doing these, I'm trying to give you enough time. All right, hopefully you're done. And let's get going. 15 reps, arms and legs up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, last 1, and 5. Whew. That's that. All right, let's take another 15, 20, 30-second break, whatever it needs to be. And we're going for 1 and last final set of this exercise. And it's going to be max reps. So pretty much until your leg or your arm will not come off the ground. It's not gonna be many more than 15 for me, I don't think, but we'll see. You guys ready to go? Take a nice deep breath, get into position. 3, 2, 1, everything back, everything up, and let's go. 1. No need to count here, let's keep going. Stay in control. Keep it up. I got a couple more. And that's it. Well, I thought it was gonna last a little longer. It didn't. All right, let's take a little reprieve. Stay on the ground, we're too lazy to get up today. What's the point? You're gonna come right back up, down to the ground. All right, now we're gonna go some sit-ups. I'm gonna set up right here. I think should be good enough. Straight legs right in front of you. Gonna reach up to the sky with your hands, all right? We're going for 10 slow, deliberate repetitions, all right? So lay down, make sure you have enough clearance. Arms up, and you're just gonna sit up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 10 reps. That's all we're doing. 2, keep pace. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, keep it up. 9. One more. And 10. And relax. Whew. All right, staring at the ceiling, talking to the camera. It's over there. Hey, how's it going, guys? All right, that was set number 1 of 10 reps. We're doing for 3 sets. So let's get going. Let's get started in a few seconds. You guys ready to go? I'm ready if you're ready. Position. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and sit up. The first one is always tough. Once I'm rolling, it's okay. 1, 2. Once again, 10 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more. 3, 2 more. 2, last one. Up and back down and relax. All right, you know what that means? That means we have 1 set left. Max effort. Whew. It also has the heart rate running pretty good. Feeling good, guys, feeling good. I'm filming this Saturday morning. Got the weekend ahead of us. Rainy here in Chicago. At least for today. Tomorrow it's supposed to clear up a little bit. So if you guys do hear any water dripping, that's the water dripping into the window well right to my left. All right, last set, max reps. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Up, down, up. Keep it here. Nice pace. Slow on the way down. I don't want you to get a concussion falling backwards. Keep those arms pointing straight up as much as you can. Down. Up. Same pace, even throughout. Down. Up. Keep going. Up. And down, come on. Up. Keep it up. Stay with me. I'm calling it right here. That's it. If you guys are still going, keep going. I'll take a little break and then we'll get moving to the final exercise. All right, let's sit up a little bit so I'm not talking completely to the ceiling today. Once again, welcome to Fit After 50, guys. My name is Paul. If you made it this far, thank you, and I hope you're having a good core workout. I hope to see you guys during the next workout. 1 exercise left. Gonna stay seated like this. Gonna bring your legs out. They're gonna be elevated the entire time. You're gonna bring them forward. You're gonna bring it out, and you're gonna bring them up and down. All right, 3 sets. First 2 sets, 8 reps. All right, are you guys ready to go? I hope you're done with your sit-ups. And let's go. Remember, 8 repetitions. Ready? In, out, up. 1. In, out, up. 2. I'm not very flexible, so the up is not very high. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. That max one on the last set is not gonna be much more than that. All right, let's take another 15 seconds or so. We're going for set number 2. Exciting times. Almost only 2 sets left. Give yourselves a hand, we're almost there, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, in, out, up. 1, in, out, up. 2, in, out, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. That's it. I hope just to make it 8 on this last set. We have one more set left, guys. Let's take our 15-20 seconds. And we'll get going. We're almost done. Very nice. Good work today. One set left. You guys ready to go? Last one, max effort, no counting. I have hope to make 8. Ready? 3, 2, 1, in. And up. In. And up. Keep it going. In. Up. In. Up. In. Up. Come on. In. Up. In. Up. One more. That's it. Okay, all right. Woo. Well, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and as always, I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. And October 31st, it's gonna be for 4 years. So thanks for joining me today. If you have not been through these before, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below, let me know what else you wanna see on this channel, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.